Ladies and gentlemen, the first time we rolled up to this original owner 1977 Ford Econoline E-150 Conversion van, I believe my neighbor Dave stopped mid-sentence and just stared, which for Dave is rare and medically concerning. We think vans like this are the reason the 1970s felt louder, cooler, and slightly unregulated. This Econoline isn't just a vehicle. It's a rolling declaration that comfort, style, and questionable fuel economy could peacefully coexist. I think I smiled the entire time I walked around it, like a man who just found his old cassette collection still works. Before we go any further, subscribe to the CampAvto channel. We bring you machines with stories, personality, and just enough mechanical drama to keep life interesting. This 1977 Ford Econoline E-150 was purchased new by a Sacramento-based van and truck accessories company and lived its entire life as their pride and joy. Delivered originally as an empty shell, it was converted by Deluxe Truckin Co. and used as a showpiece at trade events. Finished in black with red and blue stripes added during a repaint in 1995, it wears its era proudly. The body measures roughly 17 feet 6 inches long, about 5 meters, 33 centimeters, and sits confidently on 15-inch aluminum wheels with faux 3-eared knockoffs wrapped in BFGoodrich Radial T tires mounted in 2023. I like the most how the quad headlights, running boards, wheel arch flares, and barn doors make it look ready for both a car show and a spontaneous road trip. Inside, the grey cloth interior feels like a time capsule that smells faintly of vinyl and ambition. Front and rear air conditioning, window blinds, a cassette stereo, power windows, and a locking storage compartment remind us that luxury once meant convenience, not touchscreens. The rear features second-row captain's chairs and a folding third-row bench seat, plus an icebox that I believe has seen more road sodas than my cooler ever will. The odometer shows 87,000 miles, or about 140,000 kilometers, all added under current ownership. Power comes from a 351 cubic inch V8, that's 5.8 liters, paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission driving the rear wheels. Recent service since 2023 included a carburetor rebuild, fluid service and replacement of the heater core and spark plugs. Braking is handled by 4-wheel drums, which I think adds just enough excitement to every stop sign. This Econoline sold in May 2025 for $9,500, roughly 800 to 700 euros, which we believe is a bargain for an original owner, documented conversion van. If you want to support the channel and become a sponsor for just $1, do it. For $1, you help keep vans like this rolling and help me convince my friends that this is still a real job. The sponsorship link is in the description under the video.